Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make panna cotta. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place gelatin in the water. Double cream. Whole milk. Caster sugar. Mix together. And boil. I'm gonna pour the double cream mixture. Remove the gelatin from the water. Place in the double cream mixture and dissolve. Add vanilla essence. Mix together. And fridge until next day. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!